Hello, my name is Karun Islam binti Ahmad Fazil and my metric card is 10 DAT15F1023 and I want to compare smartphone Asus Zenfone 5 Lite and Lenovo A2010. The primary function is to call, same to the both phone, and the secondary function, and we can surf the internet, and we can WhatsApp, WeChat, and all the things. And for the Asus Zenfone 5, the screen is for 5 inches, and for the Lenovo is 4.5 screen. And for Asus, the Android is KitKat and the Lenovo is Android 5.5 Lollipop. And the battery is for Asus is 2500 mAh, and for Asus is and for Lenovo is 2000 mAh. And for the Asus also, the internet is 3G, and for Lenovo is 4G, that internet can surf for faster than 3G. Thank you.